So today we're going to have a look at a herb called Chenopodum bonus henricus, or in English, good King Henry. This is the chap here. It's a relative of spinach. If you've ever grown spinach, you'll see the flowers actually look quite like spinach flowers. It's a perennial, and it's been eaten in this country since probably the Roman period. Certainly it was popular in the Saxon period, right through until the Industrial Revolution. As I said, it's a relative of spinach, and it's supposed to taste quite like spinach too, but the raw leaves can be slightly bitter apparently. So in the spring you can cut these, which are the young shoots. There we are. Or later in the summer you can cook the leaves. Now the leaves need boiling in salty water, and then after you boil them in salty water, discard the salty water and then recook in some oil and fry them up. The shoots can be eaten cooked slightly less rigorously, but probably don't want to eat them raw because they can be quite bitter. At least that's what the book says. That's actually not too bad. Maybe with a slightly bitter aftertaste, but still not bad at all. It's a perennial, looks after itself, not even remotely fussy, dead easy to grow, and so it's a really good herb to have in a garden if you want to have leaves that just keep coming and look after themselves. Actually, coming back to that, it's got really quite a nasty bitter aftertaste, so maybe don't eat it raw.